Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2015 GMC Sierra. This Sierra is featured in the SLT all-terrain trim and is an onyx black paint finish. It includes features such as heated front seats, heated steering wheel, a powered sunroof, GPS navigation system, a hard tonneau cover, chrome assist steps, as well as much more. Starting off in the front of our vehicle, above our chrome finish door handle, we can see our seat memory. Below on the door panel itself, we have the controls for our power folding outside mirrors, power door locks, as well as power windows, and window and child safety lock. In the bottom of the door, some additional storage, as well as a Bose speaker. Just inside and to the left of the steering wheel, we have our trailer brake controller, drive mode select, as well as all of our lighting controls. Down the side of the driver's seat, we can see our power controls. You can also see the seat here, finished in our black leather. Moving inside the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we can see that we have our display cluster with a digital information system in the middle. Hazard lights are on top of the steering wheel. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel is our cruise settings, as well as our heated steering wheel button. Right-hand side of the steering wheel has all of our hands-free, as well as the controls to change our display on our display cluster. Moving to the middle, we can see our audio system with our AM/FM audio, Bluetooth audio, as well as our navigation. It also functions as a backup camera with adaptive guidelines. Below it, we have an MP3 player, heated seats on the left and right side for the driver and passenger. Between it, we have our dual zone front climate control with front and rear defroster. Across the bottom, we have our power adjustable pedals, our traction button, in-bed lighting, parking sensors, as well as our downhill park assist. Then below again, we can see that we have various power plugs. We have 3 USBs, 2 12-volt plugs, and a 115-volt plug. We have some storage below that, our 2 cup holders, center console with storage on top. Inside the center console, we can see we have deep storage, 12-volt plug on the driver's side. Passenger side has 2 more USBs, an SD slot, as well as an auxiliary input. Moving to our passenger seat, we can see it is the same black leather that the driver's seat was, and is also powered and heated. Above the rear view mirror, we have our lighting controls on the outside, our universal garage door opener, controls for our tilt sliding sunroof, controls for a third powered window, our lighting controls, a sunglass holder, and then lastly, we can see our front sunroof with a pullable cover. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, moving down to our tires and rims, we can see that we have a polished alloy finish with a GMC center cap. Moving up, we can see we have a chrome finish on our mirror, as well as our door handles, as well as a chrome assist step across the bottom. The back of the vehicle, we can see a hard folding tonneau cover on top. We have our corner steps. On the back of the vehicle, we can see all of our GMC badging, as well as our Sierra and all-terrain badging. Opening it up, on the bottom of our handle is our backup camera. Inside the bed, we have a spray-on bed liner. We have tie-downs in both the front and the back of the vehicle, and as previously mentioned, a bed liner in the bottom, as well as our hard folding tonneau cover. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, we can see we have a chrome finish door handle, power window control, as well as storage throughout the door, and a speaker. Inside the vehicle, we can see that we have a storage compartment in the back of the driver's seat, as well as the passenger seat. Between the 2 seats, we have some storage, as well as a 12-volt plug. Moving to the seats in the second row, we can see we have 3 seats, all finished in our jet black leather. In the center seat, we have 2 foldable cup holders. Behind it, we have a power sliding third window. And in the back of the vehicle, all 3 seats can fold up by simply pressing on the bottom to make additional storage space. And also across the floor, we can see that we have an all-weather mat. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2015 GMC Sierra. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.